Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make hair for Roblox in Blender. So first of all, you have to press Shift A and go to curves and choose path. Just scale it and keep this at side. Press G and X to keep it this way. G and X. Now you have to insert one more thing here, the num circle, and expand it and change its angle to 90 and 90 in X and Y. Now scale it and keep this above the line. Now select the line. Now just select your line that we can see the path, and now click on this data and click on geometry. Now you have to go to in bevel and choose object, and now you have to click on this eyedropper and choose circle from here. And as you can see that we have made this from this, and now go back to the edit mode. So you can first of all you can expand it as much as you want. You can scale it along z axis to some extent if you want. Fine. As you can see, and SY, that's better. And we can also rotate this Y axis. R and Y, and bringing down. Now go to an edit mode. Now select the first vertex or top vertex, and once you're in the edit, and now press Alt S and scale it. Now let me show you from the side view. Now to give it the hair look, you have to choose now circle, this circle. Go to object mode, choose circle, or you can choose from here as well, and go to edit mode. Now it's time to play with this. So first of all, you have to just keep this vertex. So you have to keep this vertex here, and you will see how it's basically how can we use this circle to make our this line or the curve hair look, to give a hair look. So now press these two vertex, hold the shift and select both vertex and just keep it here. And similarly you have to choose these two vertex and this way. Now you can see that now it gives us a complete look, and you can also keep these. You can also select these two vertex, and you can also bring it down somewhere like this. Fine. Similarly, you can choose this and keep it here. Fine. So this is how we can make our first hair and you can choose the color of the vertex or color of your hair. From here, go to material, click on new, and you can choose from here black color if you want. And let me go to this view port shading. So basically we choose the color of not path. Now let's choose our color from here. Fine, and now we can rotate this. We can rotate this along z axis. Now we have to rotate this by z axis. Choose, let me choose first. Go to object mode and press R and Z to rotate this way. Now go back to the edit mode and just first of all you have to go to object mode and bring it to the here along the head. Now go to in edit mode and choose this vertex and press G to move it and keep this at the center. Press G and keep it like this, and press G and keep it like this. Press G to keep it like this and keep this here like this. Fine, as you can see, and just keep this vertex little down, or we can keep this inside the head. As you can see how it looks amazing. And now you can see that this is basically the hair that we are. Now you can use this hair use this hair and press shift and D and to duplicate, and now you can again use this hair, or you can keep this hair beside this hair. Now just go to edit mode again, choose this vertex and keep it closer to this hair tip or hair root. Fine, like this way. Let me go to this mode, and as you can see, let's click on this one, this vertex or this hair. XG, or you can duplicate these hairs one by one and keep you can align all the hairs like this, as you can see. Now you can duplicate all the sets of the hair similarly, and you can create this look. Let's do that. Let's create one more set. Just press Control Shift and D to duplicate it. And now we can go back here and select all these four vertex and press fine and keep it here. Press like this. Also, we have to think of these here because these ears are in the path right now. So we have to manage it, align all the ears evenly. Fine, so we can manage it. We can choose these two vertex and align reasonably all the hairs. Now we can choose these two and fine this. So if you didn't miss, I think I just forget to tell you that because my video just stopped because you have to if you didn't mirror yet, just choose the one side of the hair and click on this modifier, add modifier, and choose from mirror here. Okay, and after that you have to choose click on the mirror object like this and choose click on this eyedropper and choose Europa. So it basically mirror the eye objects or items as per the object. Fine, and choose x-axis or the axis along which you want the mirror object. Right now this is not in the great position. We have to do it properly like this. We can choose one by one. The hell is this? So now we are almost done with our hair. So now you can follow this process to make your own hair, and also you can create the front side of your hair. So yeah, that's it guys, and hope you enjoyed it. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. And now in a similar way you can create your own hair and publish on so basically to publish on your, you can also publish this here on the Roblox. You as an UGC here. So once I done with this, I'll definitely add on my profile. So just go and follow it now, and I'll upload first my hair for free. So just make it like this. So you can design in a different way more, and I'll make more video on those this and so yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.